In today's video, I will teach you 3 easy ways to see your camera settings in Lightroom. Let's get started. When editing in Lightroom, you might want to check the camera settings, like ISO, shutter speed, aperture, and more that are used for a particular photo. And here are 3 simple ways to do it. The first method is checking camera settings in the metadata panel. To do this, go to the Library or Develop module, then open the right panel and find the metadata section. Then select EXIF or Default from the metadata drop-down menu. Then view your camera settings, like ISO, shutter speed, aperture, focal length, and more. You can also change the metadata view to display different types of information. The second method is viewing camera settings in the Info overlay. Simply press I on your keyboard while in the Library module or Develop module. This toggles the Info overlay, showing key settings like ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. Then press I again to cycle through different overlays or turn it off. If you don't see the camera settings, simply go to View, View Options, and enable Show Info Overlay. And the third method is checking the bottom film strip or the grid view panel. To do this, switch to the grid view in the Library module, or simply press G on your keyboard. Then look at the bottom film strip or thumbnail area. If camera settings aren't visible, simply go to View, View Options, and enable Expanded Cells to show EXIF data. You can also customize the info displayed by going to View, View Options, then Grid View Settings. A bonus tip is using the metadata search to find specific settings. To do this, simply press Ctrl F on Windows or Command F on Mac while you're in the Library module. Then select Metadata and filter images based on ISO, lens type, or other camera settings. This is useful if you want to find photo shot with a specific aperture or focal length. And now you can quickly check and compare camera settings while editing in Lightroom. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.